guys, how are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lucia.
And I'm still the strongest man in the whole universe.
Yeah. Okay, so we welcome you all to this vlog. Feel much appreciated wherever you are.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming again to watch what we do here, okay?
Yes, so
so remember to like this video, subscribe and comment if possible. Just leave hi and to tutashukuru, okay?
yes.
So we welcome you again to another vlog. Right now we are going to works. We're going to the site to finish. We are doing the finishing of the house. So today is on Saturday. We are recording this video on Saturday. I don't know when it will go live, but anyways. So go ready.
Yes, we are going.
We are going.
And we are going.
So let's go, guys. Spend the day with us again. As usual, this is our life. So we are ready to go to the end of works. So let me close everything here and then we go. Okay? So guys, right now it's almost 7:45 p.m. Not p.m. It's a.m. 7:45 a.m. So that's the time we are leaving there. Here we want by before 9. We need to be there. Yes. So let's go. Strong man is cleaning his machine. He normally wants it to be very clean. No dust at all.
Cleanliness is second to godliness. Godliness is second to godliness.
Cleanliness is second to godliness. Godliness. Yes. So he wants it to be very, very super clean. So I'm the one always opening the gate. So let me do my job. Because I don't know how to drive a car. I don't know how to drive a car, imagine. But one day, one time. One day, one time I will. So guys, we have left already. We have left. We will go fast. Kama tutapata traffic. Faster. So guys, we have arrived here at the site. So we need to go and do something for today. Today we are alone, no? Because the two of us. Today we are the two of us because we are doing the finishing. Yeah? So let's go and see how the rain will be. Alvin, Olivia, hello. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Yeah. Are you ready to start working?
Yeah.
Are you ready to start constructing?
Mama Alvin ameenda huko.
So guys, this is how the house looks right now. Yeah. This is how it looks.
Tembelee huko. Huko juu hiyo.
Wewe ni Mungu wa milele, hutabadilika kamwe. Upendo wako wadumu kwa vizazi vyote. Wewe ni mtakatifu Baba, umeinuliwa juu. Hakuna kama wewe, twasujudu mbele zako. Kwa neema zako twaishi, kwa huruma zako twaimba. Umetufunika na nuru, kwa jina lako twaishi. Wewe ni mtakatifu Baba, umeinuliwa juu. Hakuna kama wewe, twasujudu mbele zako. E Bwana wa majeshi, uhodari vitani, tunapaza sauti zetu, uliyeshinda milele. Wewe ni mtakatifu Baba, umeinuliwa juu. Hakuna kama wewe, twasujudu mbele zako. katika giza wewe ni taa. Mungu wangu ni mwaminifu. Ee Bwana, nakushukuru kwa upendo wako wa kweli. Moyo wangu unakutukuza. Mungu wangu ni mwaminifu. Hapo juu mbinguni au chini duniani, hakuna mwingine kama wewe. Mungu wangu ni mwaminifu. Ee Bwana, nakushukuru.
So guys, we have reached there for today. So we have fixed the bulbs. Can you see? We have fixed the bulbs. So guys, tomorrow's video we are going to finish up this ceiling and cover that space for kitchen. So get ready for tomorrow's video, because tomorrow's video, it's the final video of this project. So tomorrow we are going to show you the full, not the complete house. We are going to reach there, but we are going to finish up tomorrow with the ceiling and cover that kitchen. Okay, so don't miss tomorrow's video. It's the final video of these projects. I hope you have enjoyed all the videos of these projects. So thank you so much for always coming and watching our videos. We don't take it for granted. So get ready for tomorrow, and may God bless you and keep you safe. So bye bye for now. See you tomorrow for the final project.
Kwa upendo wako